Let's learn this drawing today. The first step, two finger you leave and or one sleeping line you draw. Next one, horizontal line. After that I will show you the measurement here. It is the head part. One finger will be the head part. Little gap you give and next two finger you keep and one more gap. After that again small gap, mark it there, again two finger, one finger and three finger. One time I will show you one finger, two finger, one finger and three finger. This is the human body measurement I am showing you. It is not all the time same, it will be not. For this drawing the measurement is like this. It is the head portion. Okay, egg shape you have to draw. Next neck portion. Next it is a line, A letter line. Till then there we have to draw A letter. Before that I am drawing here U letter. After that the hand is I am doing here. Just take it long. It is the palm. Just you have to draw oval shape and one L shape. Next that A line I told you now, that one we have to continue. Marking we have done now, till then there we have to do. Now this is the line we have to show. The leg portion will be starting. Back side little bit curve. Okay. It is the knee portion. Next it is the leg. Mark it here. Till then here our shoe will come. You have to draw half triangle shape like this and small triangle you have to draw it like that. Next I am showing you the eye part, nose and mouth. For nose you have to take outside, for mouth you have to take inside. Next C letter for ear. Next you can try the hairs for the head portion. Next I am showing you, we are doing the flag. You can take one finger gap like this and you can draw it here. Now take the straight line, standing line. Two lines you have to draw. Don't make too thick, it will look bad. Next the flag. You try this one, the flag, it will look very nice. Little bit curve shape. Wave line you can try it. It will be the circle. You can see Ashoka Chakra there. There one more horizontal line. Here round M you can try it. Round M. It will be the grass portion. Next we are doing one buildings you can tell, or you can tell that school also. I am making here school. It should not be same like this. You can change according to your imagination. But this is you are doing first time I feel. You can copy what I am showing you here. This will be the background. The back side we are doing the tree here. Okay, U letter and X. And here oval shape, the pedestal where the people can go and sit there. It will be the door and window. I am repeating that one, door and windows. Upside also I am showing it here. These are the backside building. Windows I am showing. You can draw the line like this, or else you can make boxes for windows. Here till then you can show the far distance trees, people. They are also celebrating the Independence Day. That one also you can show. Let me try that one here. Far, you can draw the humans. just A letter, small box and one circle for human. One I will show you. See, A letter, okay, small box and 2 line, 1 circle for human. Small flag I am showing it here. This much our drawing is done. Now we have done the sketch pen outline. Next I am showing you the coloring here. Same thing you can copy or according to your imagination you can color it.